Creating agriculture, seed, and crop videos with AI may look simple, but if you do everything manually, you have to come up with the content, write image prompts, write video prompts, and handle each scene one by one. If you are selling seeds, plants, fertilizers, or agricultural products and want to create multiple videos to promote your products, doing everything manually can take a lot of time. So today, I'm going to show you how to use the ChatGPT chatbot for creating agriculture, seeds, and crop videos to create content faster with AI. First, go to promptauto.io. Then search for ChatGPT chatbot for creating agriculture, seeds, and crop videos, copy the chatbot link, and open the chatbot. Once you enter the chatbot interface, click Start. At this point, the chatbot will ask you to enter the product name and related information, such as its benefits, key features, target users, or the message you want to deliver. After filling in the information, click Send and wait for the chatbot to process it. The chatbot will return a complete 5-scene structure. Each scene includes one image prompt and one matching video prompt. Now, simply copy image prompt number 1. Next, open VO3. Paste the image prompt into the image generation section and adjust the necessary settings. Then upload the character reference image and the product image. Once everything is ready, click Generate and wait for a moment. You will receive a professional promotional image for your agricultural product. Next, go back to the chatbot, copy image prompt number 2 and paste it into VO3. For this step, use the first image you just created as the reference image, so the character, product, and visual style stay consistent. Continue doing the same with prompts number 3, 4, and 5 until all 5 images are completed. After you have all the images, go back to the chatbot and copy video prompt number 1. Paste the prompt into VO3. Add image number 1 as the reference image, then switch to video generation mode. Next, choose a suitable video generation model. In this example, I use VO 3.1 Fast. Click Generate and wait a few minutes for the AI to create the video. While waiting, you can return to the chatbot, copy video prompt number 2, and repeat the same process with image number 2. Continue step by step until all 5 videos are completed. The final step is to download all the videos to your device, import them into CapCut or any editing software you usually use, then combine the scenes, add music, text, subtitles, product prices, and a call to action. With this chatbot, you do not need to come up with the full script by yourself. You do not need to write image prompts manually. You do not need to write video prompts manually. And you do not need to spend too much time building each scene from scratch. Just enter your product information, and the chatbot will generate the full content structure for you, helping you produce videos much faster. This tool is perfect for seed sellers, plant sellers, agricultural supply stores, fertilizer brands, farming product businesses, and affiliate content creators. Follow for more AI chatbots, workflows, and content creation tools.